Alright, hey guys, this is my 2010 Blue Eastern shovelhead. Start off on the front and we'll work our way to the back. Alright, we got the Eastern coral grips. They're pieces of crap, but I'm waiting for my Edwins to get here. We got the Tetro brake lever with the Tetro cable. I'm about to start riding brakeless, so that's going to go away. We got the 8.25 inch rise bars. They're really good, I guess. And we got the Eastern stem, just stem. And we got the Eastern Curb Monkey 100 psi front tire with the Weinman rim. Where's the sticker? Yeah, right there, Weinman. With the cutouts and the forks. The 3/8 axle and the Eastern front hub. The integrated headset and the gyro holes. There's 2010 Blue Eastern shovelhead frame with my dance comp sticker, and the Eastern pedals with just Eastern stock cranks, the Eastern Medusa light sprocket with regular chain, about to get that shadow chain, and Eastern pivotal seat with the Eastern pivotal seat post, cut it so it'd go down lower. Eastern integrated seat clamp. It's really good, really cool seat clamp. Some kind of brakes. No, it's not Tetro because it doesn't say it on it. And in the back we got the Eastern, I think, bidirectional cassette, but I think it is because it's really loud and the bidirectional is really loud, so let's put two and two together. We got the Weinman double wall back rim, black spokes, and the Eastern burnout tire. About to get the Maxxis, I think, Grifter. I think that's the one. Alright, yeah, that was my bike check. Check out my other videos. Got a few parts I want to sell if anybody's interested, so yep, check out my other videos.